Hey traders, Sid here with another trade recap. I hope every one of you had a green day because there were plenty of opportunities today to take a trade on. And I took a trade on Plug Power. So Plug Power has news declared a partnership with Airbus to work towards hydrogen as a fuel for the air transportation. So that was a catalyst for this stock moving up higher. In the pre-market hour, it gapped up from $29 all the way to the 30 to 50. Then it pulled back a little bit, and on this initial sell off, I jumped into the trade. I sold 500 shares at 32.25 and bought back at 31.85. So I shorted the stock. It was a quick trade, and I did not overstate my welcome. Just one trade is enough. See, I got my profit, locked it, all the money in my pocket. So that's it. I don't want to waste more time, more money, and more energy on taking multiple trades. So here is my P&L for the day. So traded 500 stocks, made $201.90. So basically covered all the profit, all the losses that I had yesterday. If you didn't watch that video, you can just go back and watch it, or I will pin the video in the top right, and I will also attach the this article down in the description so you can read it. They said like there is a third catalyst coming. I don't know what it is. I don't care about that anymore. So that's it for this video, guys. I recovered my losses from yesterday, hold on to my profit, so sticking to my rules. And the one more thing before you guys go, I just want to show you is the stock Jasper. So Jasper Therapeutics, that stock was really crazy. I mean, if you can see the parabolic momentum on this stock, it starts from $8, went into multiple halts, and all the way reached to I believe it was $18. Let's round it up because I don't know what the top point of this, the highest point of this week, but yeah, you can say that it was $18, more or less close to that. But this was a crazy parabolic move. I didn't take a trade on it because I already finished my trading for the day and I stick to my rules. Also, when I looked into Jasper, it was already moved up pretty high, and I just don't want, I was not interested to take a trade on this chop zone and this and this. So I stayed, I let it run. That's fine. That's it for this video, guys. Trade cautiously in this market because still market has not decided like which side it wants to go. Either it's going to be a bullish or bearish, we don't know yet. So trade cautiously, and whenever you get your profit, just lock it in and walk away from it. Overstaying your welcome will always make you lose more money, so don't do that. And that being said, thank you for watching this video and see you guys in the next trade recap. Bye.